This is the Green Factor C Sustainability Weekly Roundup for 20 to 24 July 2026. This week, the practical signals came from energy delivery, circularity, local supply chains, battery recycling, aviation fuel feedstock, and project finance across Southeast Asia. The thesis is simple: sustainability is becoming operating infrastructure. The strongest updates were not about big claims. They were about bankable projects, verified inputs, supplier level execution, and systems that can actually scale. In Malaysia, renewable energy needs certainty. Gentayu and Felda showed why contract clarity matters. Sabah put a 1,200 megawatt renewable energy target on the table, and Malaysia pushed energy efficiency back into the decarbonization agenda. Malaysia also showed that sustainable aviation fuel depends on traceable feedstock. Fat Hope's Energy moved to secure used cooking oil and second-generation inputs. For aviation, the bottleneck is not only refinery capacity, it is verified supply. In Indonesia, waste is being treated as industrial input. Brin pushed plastic waste to fuel pyrolysis. The B50 biodiesel rollout moved closer. Together, they show waste, fuel, and circular processing becoming part of city and national energy systems. Indonesia also unveiled a 194-kilometer green hydrogen corridor linking Jakarta, Karawang, and Patimban. The important signal is the corridor model. Hydrogen only becomes useful when production, refueling, ports, factories, and logistics demand connect. In Viet Nam, green manufacturing is moving into export capacity. BM Windows opened a LEED Gold facade manufacturing hub. Carlsberg, Vietnam brought suppliers into its ESG program. The message for suppliers is clear: sustainability performance is becoming part of commercial access. Vietnam also showed how the EV race is shifting. The next advantage is not only sales incentives, it is local assembly, charging infrastructure, grid planning, industrial parks, and supplier depth. In the Philippines, circularity is being framed as a business ecosystem. Aboitiz is connecting pet recovery, food-grade recycled resin, cement co-processing, estate-level water reuse, materials recovery, and renewable energy. The Philippines also showed movement in wind project finance. Alternergy completed a stake sale linked to the Tanay and Alabat wind projects. Auction-backed renewable projects are starting to move into investment and construction readiness phases. In Thailand, battery recycling moved further into industrial policy. The Energy Absolute and Amida partnership with the Ministry of Industry points to the next layer of the EV economy: collection, safe storage, materials recovery, skills, and regulation. The operator view: the claim is no longer enough. Across Southeast Asia, the real sustainability work is now power, waste, capital, traceability, supplier data, and project execution. Follow the Green Factor for practical sustainability intelligence in Southeast Asia.